Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video, we are going to solve 5 power x plus 5 power 5 is equals to 630 and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write this as 5 power x plus 5 power y is equals to 630. We can break it as 625 plus 5. Now 5 power x plus 5 power y is equals to 625. We can write it as 5 power 4 plus 5 power 1. So according to exponent rule, x power m plus x power n, we can write it as x power mn. So here we can write this as 5 power xy is equals to 5 power 4 times 1. So if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So xy is equals to 4 times 1. So we can write this as either x is 4 or y is 4 or x is 1 or y is 1. So the value of x and y is 4, 1 or 1, 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.